The CPIM from now will intensify ongoing struggle for democracy and fight for protecting the legal and constitutional rights of people with the greatest possible unity of people. The most important point of focus of the struggle will be right of food and employment for the people reeling under the repressive misrule of the BJP IPFT government in Tripura. Asserting this in an interaction with the media shortly after assuming the charge as the new state secretary of the CPIM, Jiten Chaudhary made it clear that the struggle for democracy will encompass both the hills and vales of the state, and this will continue until the desired goal is achieved. He also called for a grand success of the Bharat Bandh called by the United Forum of Farmers on September 27, 2021 with support from 19 political parties. Following the tragic death of our former State Secretary Gautam Das, the party has entrusted the responsibility to me, and it is a big challenge at this time. But this is not the first time that I have accepted this challenge. As a member of the State Secretariat, I have been facing this challenge for a long time now, along with the senior comrades. This collective work will continue now with renewed vigor, said Jiten Chaudhary to the media persons who had gone to meet him. He promised to keep on working with all the energies and power at his disposal.
প্রথমত বলবো আমি এডিসি নির্বাচনের ফলাফল এটা একদম সম্পূর্ণ মানে সাময়িক টেম্পোরারি ফেনোমেনা। কারণ ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি আইপিএফটির যে ধরনের যে বেলাগাম আক্রমণ, এর থেকে বাঁচার জন্য সেই সময় তো মানুষ মনে হয়েছে কৌশলগতভাবে আরেকটা দল যে স্লোগান তুলেছে তার সাথে থেকে আমরা ভারতীয় জনতা পার্টি এবং আইপিএফটিকে শিক্ষা দেব, তাদেরকে আমরা রুখব। এটাই হলো এডিসির ফলাফল। কিন্তু এডিসি যারা আজকে ক্ষমতায় গেছে তারা ভাবছে তারা যে স্লোগানটা তুলেছিল বা এখনো।
Jiten Chaudhary laid stress on the task of restoring democracy in the state and dwelt on the critical law and order situation, saying even official data proves how fragile the law and order situation has become in the state under the BJP regime. At this moment, nobody is safe in Tripura, so we will try to remove the sense of insecurity among the people and instill in their minds a new sense of confidence. Many of the CPIM party offices across the state have been vandalized and destroyed, even using bulldozers. Many leaders have been attacked and injured, but the CPIM will not allow this state of affairs to continue, said Jiten Chaudhary. He further said that in tribal-dominated areas, the people have already seen through the designs of parties who raise slogans such as Tipra Land and Greater Tipra Land, as they know that these are not viable demands. They have already hoodwinked the simple tribal masses by raising such deceptive and unrealistic demands. What is needed for development of Tripura is greatest possible unity among people, and we will try to farm up the unity of the oppressed and toiling masses, said Jiten Chaudhary. Jiten Chaudhary took a jibe at the Trinamool Congress, saying there is nothing new in this party, which is composed of only town courts. A number of people have only changed parties to become Trinamool, and without a viable organization and program, Trinamool Congress will end up soon. So we have no worry about this matter and will keep up our political work. Bureau Report, Halla Bol.